Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and safety. Unplug the charger and move to a ventilated surface. Once done, cut out the visibly damaged segment and expose clean cable ends. Make sure to slide a small heat shrink tube onto one side before you strip. Now strip about 5-7 mm of insulation from each conductor, keeping the color order and shielding separate. You do this to expose fresh copper for a reliable mechanical and electrical connection. This prevents intermittent contact later. Next, you prepare each conductor for a permanent join by tinning. Heat the wire briefly and apply a small amount of solder so the strands bind. Once tinned, align matching colors, twist gently for a mechanical hold, then solder the joint with a quick, controlled touch. This makes the electrical bond strong. After each soldered joint cools, slide individual heat shrink over the connection and apply heat to contract it. You do this to restore insulation integrity and prevent shorting between conductors. To finish, you cover the repaired section with a larger outer heat shrink and apply heat evenly until it forms a snug, protective sleeve. Add a bit of hot glue or a molded strain relief if needed. Once cooled, check continuity with a multimeter and then test by plugging in a low-power device to confirm charging. If it still fails, make sure each solder joint shows continuity, reflow any cold joints, and verify conductor polarity. These checks fix most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.